Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Raquel if you don't know me, and today will be a different video. I am sick and I will show you how I did this makeup to hide the sick face, and I will share with you a recipe of a soup that I did today to get back the nutrients of my body. But the soup, it's a really simple recipe. It's using things that I had in home. I need really urgently go get shop food, but since I am sick I didn't, so I needed to use the rest of food I had in home. So I need to make an improvise in the ingredients. Keep watching. So I will start with the makeup and then I will go show you the soup recipe. Okay, I hope you enjoy it, and let's go. So I will be doing a really simple makeup just to take off the sick face of my face. I will use this one, Goodbye Pores. It's something to take that texture, like when you use the makeup and sound like a cracked makeup. That helps the skin get more soft. Yeah. So I'm just gonna pass a little bit of that foundation here, because in the camera you can't see, but my face is really red. It's done here, so I will use the corrector now. Dry a little bit. While that, I will use eyeshadow. I will try this one. It's not to be like a whoa, she's using makeup. It's just to be like a whoa, she's not looking like a zombie. So let's just mix up. I usually I don't put corrector here, but when I do that, get corrector in the sponge. So I use, the rest to spread, because it doesn't stay too charred, like too much product. Powder, just a little bit. So now I'm gonna put the liner. I like this liner because I'm terrible to use liner, but this liner, it's like a stamp, and the other side is the pen. So I just get here and stamp. It's not perfect. And stamp. And then with the pen, I complete the art. I use this pen. Mascara. So the trick to take the sick face is blush. Well, I forgot, but before I use mascara, I used to this fixer. But I usually put before mascara because that's wet. Hope that doesn't mess up the makeup. I can't blink now or the mascara will be all melting. And then I will use this one just to give a color to the mouth. and that's it. Really, really simple one. Yeah. Now I'm gonna change myself and prepare myself to work. So keep on watching, so now you can see how I make that soup. I mentioned it in the beginning of the video. Let's go.
No excuse. Intimacy is sacred act between two people who love each other, or between dozens of strangers.
It tastes really delicious, really. The ingredients matter really well. This prum 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 of my girl, that is a healing thing. Yeah? A healing thing. That's my girl, Sabrina. Sabrina, minha Sabrina, my Sabrina. She's purring. Ah! She went away. She doesn't want any more help me to hear. Oh my god. Waiting a respectful amount of time post flower, but cards on the table. I'll climb that tree. Well guys, so then that is the makeup, and the soup recipe was really delicious. I hope you enjoyed the video. It was really simple one, just my morning in the sick day, and I hope you enjoyed. If you enjoyed, don't forget to put a thumbs up here in the video, subscribe to the channel, check my blog, because there I share a lot of things, not only the videos but other posts that I made. So check there, follow me in the social media, all the links will be here in the box description, okay? And I hope see you in the next video. Bye bye.